Most people think passive income means owning rental properties or going viral online. But what if you could start building passive income this week, without needing thousands of dollars or a huge following? In this video, we're cutting through the fluff. No Lambos, no overnight success promises. Just 3 passive income ideas that work in real life in 2025, backed by platforms that pay, creators who prove it, and results you can replicate. Welcome to Just Finance, part of the Just Channels network. Here we make managing your money simple, practical, and, yes, actually doable. If you want more content that's straight to the point and seriously helpful, hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe so you don't miss what's next. Let's jump in. Digital products? This is one of the most accessible and scalable ways to generate income online. Digital products are things you create once and sell repeatedly with no inventory, no shipping, and no support headaches. Think budget templates, resume kits, ebooks, digital planners, or Notion dashboards. The best part? These don't need to be revolutionary. You're solving a small, real problem, helping someone stay organized, track goals, manage time, or budget better. You can use free or low-cost tools like Canva, Google Sheets, or Notion to create your product. Then sell it on platforms like Gumroad, perfect for creators and simple to use. Etsy, great for planners and printables. Payhip or Lemon Squeezy, clean checkout, global reach. Promotion? You can start with TikTok, Pinterest, Reddit forums, or YouTube Shorts, even without a big following. Many sellers make $50, $300 a month passively from a single product after a few weeks of traffic building. Pro tip, bundle related products. For example, instead of just one budget sheet, offer a full financial toolkit. Bonus value equal higher pricing. Next, dividend investing. Let's talk long term. Dividend investing isn't fast, but it's real. You buy shares in a company or ETF that pays you a portion of its profits. Every quarter or month, you get cash just for holding those shares. Popular ETFs for dividend income include SCHD, strong dividend growth, S&P based. VIG, focuses on companies with a long dividend history. JEPI, higher yield with covered call strategy. Apps like Wealthsimple, Robinhood, Public, or Fidelity let you start investing with as little as $5. No commissions, no barriers. Here's how to maximize it. Turn on dividend reinvestment, DRIP. Set up automatic deposits, even $25 a week adds up. Track your income monthly using free tools like Track Your Dividends or a custom Google Sheet. The more shares you own, the more income you generate, and it snowballs. Let's say you invest $100 a week for 5 years into dividend-paying ETFs with a 3% yield. That's $26,000 invested, and you could be earning $60, $100 a month passively without touching the principal. Last but not least, content licensing and UGC. Content licensing is booming, and it's not just for photographers and filmmakers. If you've ever shot B-roll footage, created a helpful TikTok, made a clean voiceover, captured a beautiful travel clip, you can get paid for it multiple times. Sites like Blackbox for stock video licensing, Pexels and Pixabay for free uploads, some pay via partner programs. Billo, JoinBrands, or Trend.io for paid UGC, user-generated content, brand campaigns. UGC is a growing space. Brands want authentic content over polished ads, and they're willing to pay $50, $500 per short-form video testimonial or demo. You don't need to be on camera. You don't need thousands of followers. Some platforms just want product footage, reactions, or voiceovers. Start by uploading what you already have. Then build a routine. Shoot once a week, upload to 2 to 3 platforms, and start stacking your clips. This income builds slowly at first, but the beauty is you get paid over and over for the same work. Bonus tip, stack your income. Here's the real trick. Don't just do one of these. Combine them. Imagine this. You create a digital product and promote it through UGC. You invest every dollar earned into dividend ETFs. You record the process and license that content for stock libraries. Each layer feeds the others. You're building a small passive income ecosystem with little upfront money, but lots of leverage. Passive income isn't set it and forget it, but it is build it and scale it. Start small. Pick one idea. Focus for 30 days. Don't chase viral, chase value. Even $5 a day in passive income is $150 a month. That's a bill. That's freedom. Like this video if it helped you. Subscribe to Just Finance for weekly videos on smart money strategies, real investing moves, and income ideas that actually work in 2025. And comment below, what passive income idea are you going to try first? And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.